Are you looking to create smooth, user-friendly navigation on your WordPress site so that when someone clicks a button, it jumps straight to a particular section or container? Today, I'll show you exactly how to link any Elementor button to a specific container using a CSS ID. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create seamless anchor links in Elementor that guide your visitors right where you want them to go, like your contact form, pricing table, or any feature section. Let's jump right in. First things first, we need to give the destination section a unique identity so your button knows exactly where to land. In Elementor, this is done by assigning a CSS ID to your container. So go ahead and open your page in Elementor. Find the container or section you want people to jump to. Maybe it's your Contact Us or a special pricing table. Click to select that container and look over to the left-hand panel. You'll see a few tabs. Choose Advanced. Now scroll until you find the CSS ID field. This is where you'll type in a short descriptive name. For example, you might enter Contact Us or Pricing Table. Here's something important. Do not put a hash symbol in this field. Just enter lowercase letters, and if you need to separate words, use hyphens, not spaces. So pricing table is perfect, while pricing table or pricing table will cause issues. Think of this like naming a destination for your GPS. You need the exact coordinates, no extra symbols or confusing spaces. Once you've set up your CSS ID, take a moment to double-check it. It's got to be unique, meaning don't use the same name anywhere else on the page, or else the button might get confused about where to land. If you're ever unsure, just keep it simple with names like About Section or FAQ Area. Now for the exciting part. Making the button do its magic. Scroll to the part of your page where your button lives, or add a new button widget if you don't have one yet. Click to select the button so you can customize it. In the left panel, switch to the Content tab. Here you'll spot the link field. This is where you're going to tell the button exactly where to jump. Remember that unique CSS ID you created earlier. Now you'll use it. Type a hash symbol immediately followed by your exact CSS ID. So if your ID was Contact Us, your link will be Contact Us. If it was Pricing Table, enter Pricing Table. The hashtag is Elementor's little signal to look for an element on the page with that ID and scroll straight to it. Quick tip, check your spelling. If there's a typo or the wrong case, the link won't work. And don't include any spaces, just the hashtag and the exact name. Once that's set, click Update to save your changes. And that's it, you've linked your button to a container using a CSS ID. Now when viewers click your button, their screen will smoothly scroll right to the section you chose. This technique is perfect for landing pages, one-page designs, or whenever you want to guide people to sign up, learn more, or take action without making them search around. If you run into any trouble, like the link not working, double-check that your CSS ID is spelled the same in both places, and remember, the field in the container should not have a, but the button's link field should. Sometimes these little details make all the difference. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any roadblocks. Don't forget to subscribe for more web design tips and Elementor tricks. See you in the next video.